Crayon and Peppa Pig.
Yay!
Hey guys, let's see what's in these colorful crayons. It's Peppa Pig, dressed as a princess. Peppa in her red dress. Hello, Mrs. Duck. Quack, quack. Peppa Pig mushroom surprise. It's a squishy George. My Little Pony blind bag. A card. It's Snappy Scoop. She's a gray pony with purple hair. Blue crayon and George. It's Sir George the Brave and the scary dragon. Arr! A treasure chest with lots of coins. Sir George's hobby horse. Kinder Surprise egg. Yummy chocolate. Flyer. It's a green chick. He's wearing a helmet and some roller skates. Pink crayon and Susie Sheep. Stretchy arms. Zal's flower pot. Here's a leaflet with all the Zals you can collect. Wow, there are so many. And here's our Zal. A Susie Sheep figure. Star bracelet. Zoe zebra. And Candy cat. Meow. Yellow crayon. And Pedro pony. Nay. A Pedro pony toy. Aho! It's Madame Gazelle. Freddy Fox. And the Kinder Surprise. Flyer. Kinder Mixer. It's a little art set with a brush and two colors, blue and yellow. Purple crayon and Danny Dog. Woof woof. Here's Danny Dog. Emily Elephant. Rebecca Rabbit. Squeak, squeak. A green Zephyrus Dragon. Shopkins Backpack. A little watering can. Hey guys! In this video we will learn the sizes with Peppa Pig and her friends.
Yay!
Smallest, smaller, small. Big, bigger, biggest. Smallest. The smallest egg is with Daddy. Let's remove the Play-Doh and see what's in the egg. It's Susie Sheep. Smaller. The smaller egg is with Zoe Zebra. It's Peppa Pig. Small. The small egg is with Candy Cat. Remove the Play-Doh. And open the egg. It's a Kinder Chocolate Surprise. Yummy chocolate. Here's our toy. Flyer. It's a bear. Zoe Zebra. Big. The big egg is with Nurse Susie. Nurse's case. Finding Dory blind bag. It's Pearl, a pink octopus. Here's Candy Cat and Susie Sheep. Bigger. The bigger egg is with Rebecca Rabbit. A carrot. She really likes carrots. Let's remove the Play-Doh and see what's in the egg. It's Fairy Princess Holly, Rebecca, Littlest Pet Shop blind bag, Collector's Guide, it's a pink bear. In a box. And Snow White. She's very pretty. With apples on her skirt. Biggest. The biggest egg is with Peppa Pig, jumping up and down in muddy puddles. Lots of surprises. Mickey Mouse chocolate egg. Yummy chocolate. Flyer. It's Pete. He's a villain. It's Daddy Pig. Ho ho ho. My Little Pony blind bag. We got Cinnamon Breeze. And here she is. A Masha and the Bear blind bag.